What's up, everyone? This is Raphael from SelfMade Profits. And if you're looking for a way to earn some extra income from home, you're looking to get that flexibility that you deserve, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll be going over a way that you can earn up to $30 an hour just by talking online, okay? It's pretty simple and straightforward. I will go over all the details for you. Before I even do that, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I put out content just like this to help you out, okay? Now, the website is called italki, so you just want to go to Google and you're going to Google italki. That should bring you up to this website here. And basically what you're going to be doing on this website is that you're going to be teaching whatever language that you're fluent in, okay? So if you're fluent in English, French, or Chinese, you can come on here and you can teach others your language, okay? And you'll get paid for that. Now, so this is the website here. What you want to do when you get here is that you're going to click on Become a Teacher. And once you've clicked on Become a Teacher, you're going to see here it says Get Paid to Help People Learn a Language. italki is the world's largest marketplace for online language teachers. And this is the right here. If you're ready to get started, you go ahead and click Start Teaching. You'll go ahead and fill out the form to get started, okay? Now it says here, why teach on italki? So these are the perks here. You get to earn extra money. As an italki teacher, you set your own prices, earn thousands of dollars as an online teacher. You get to build your personal brand, build an online teaching reputation, demonstrate a history of quality, reliability, and student satisfaction. You find more students. As you can see, italki has over 5 million students and 10,000 plus teachers of more than 130 languages. International payments. italki handles the entire payment process, so you don't have to. You get to teach on your schedule. You get to manage your students. italki helps you manage all your students' records and history. And the best part here is that you get to work from home. You can teach from anywhere. All you need is a computer, a headset, and an internet connection. You get safety and security. italki ensures that you get paid after you teach. italki also helps to solve problems with students. All right, here's some testimonials from the other teachers that has been on this website here. And as you can see, I mean, the best part about this is that you get to be in the comfort of your own home. You have that flexibility. You get to choose your own schedule, and you teach. You're gonna be on a platform where there's a lot of people that's wanting to learn a language. So you're gonna have unlimited work. So you're gonna be able to get paid pretty good doing this work. Okay. You don't need no big time experience to do this. There's a hiring process, of course, but you don't need like big time experience. As long as you're fluent in that language, all they're going to ask is for you to probably record a video of yourself speaking that language, and they want to basically see how good you are at speaking that language, okay? So it's pretty simple, guys. If you come down here, this is some FAQs, okay? So it's basically going over what it's like to teach on italki, how it goes over how you get paid. As our teachers come from all over the world, we have made it convenient to receive payment. All you need is a verified account that can receive payment via any of the below italki payment partners. You have PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, Alipay, bank transfer. Okay, and then you have a lot of stuff here. And the best part about this, guys, is that it's international, for my international peoples. That means so you can come on here and get paid doing this also. Okay, so this is not just for people that live in the US or Canada. You can live anywhere as long as you are fluent in that language and you can teach it to others. You're definitely good to go and ready to start working. Okay, so this breaks down pretty much more things like how does italki work for teachers? Does it cost anything to teach on italki? Here he says applying to become a teacher on italki is free. Once you are approved as a teacher on italki, you can start earning italki credits, which can be exchanged for cash. italki charges a 15% fee on transactions between teachers and students. You are only charged when you complete a lesson and make money on italki. So they do get a cut on the fee that the students pay for their lessons, and you receive the rest of that cut there. Okay, so you do have to pay a 15% fee. All right. So they talk about here the italki credits, how it all works out. 1 credit equals $1. So each credit you get equals $1, and that's the amount that you get paid. Okay, so over here it says what type of equipment you would need. It says a computer, tablet device connected to the internet, a headset, and webcam, and Skype, or other free VoIP programs. Alright, so if you have any more questions when you come on here, you can definitely check out the support pages and you'll be able to get your questions answered. If you're ready to get started, you can click this button here, start teaching, right here also, or sign up, and then that'll take you to the forum. You'll fill out the form, and that way you can go ahead and get started. Okay, now guys, if you found this information valuable, please go ahead and like this video. I'll definitely be putting out more information that'll allow you to get paid from home, to allow you to enjoy that flexibility that you deserve in life. Okay, so become self-made today, guys, and stay blessed.